Hi friends, welcome to appreview.com. Today we are going to review about the app Narendra Modi. Follow the Honorable Prime Minister of India through his official app Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi is a web view Android app of Honorable Prime Minister of India. Narendra Modi official website narendramodi.in. On homepage, view the latest news or articles on various programs or events. From the sort bar, we can sort the news or articles either as recent or popular. With one tap on any article, we can access the full article page. To read in web view, that is images, smart view, that is only the text, picture view, that is only the images. From the options of social, we can share the key points on Facebook, Twitter, etc. or through communication apps like email, message, etc. And from the option of video, we can access the speeches of Narendra Modi. From the options available at the top right on the article page, with this we can increase or decrease the text size, bookmark the news or article, search for the article, and access the options menu. From share option available at the right bottom, with this we can share the articles on Facebook, Twitter, etc. or through communication apps like email, message, etc. On home page, from the options menu available at the top right, sort the articles on ascending or descending date. Search for the article, and from the options access the following options, that is news. In news, we can access the news or home page. Discussion forum. In this, we can participate or share our ideas on the blog on various programs or issues. Read it later. Read the bookmarked articles in leisure time. Interact with PM. Access the inbox to read the messages from the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. If desired, write to PM and give ideas or suggestions or via web page of pmindia.gov.in. And from the options at the top, search for the mails and sort by date. With the bin option at the top, we can delete the selected mails. Messages. In messages, view the greetings and messages from the PM Narendra Modi on various occasions. To-do tasks. In this, we can view the current task and avail the opportunity to contribute to the society by participating in the various tasks like movement to conserve water, transforming agriculture, women transformation, etc. and earn the bonus points. Next option is Mann Ki Baat. View the videos of Prime Minister Narendra Modi Mann Ki Baat video series in various Indian languages. Next option is Social Badge. In this, we can view the Facebook post, Twitter tweets, and from the Narendra Modi official Facebook and Twitter pages. Watch live. In this, we can view the live videos of Narendra Modi, if any, on national events and international events. Blogs. Read the various blogs articles. Speeches. In speeches, we can view the key points of the speech and the full text of the speech of Narendra Modi in various programs. Interviews. In interviews, we can view the key points and full text of interviews given by the Narendra Modi. Biography. View the biography of Narendra Modi. Governance. In governance, we can access the details of various programs or government initiatives introduced by the government for the welfare of the Indians. Global recognition. In this, we can view the details on various activities of Indian Prime Minister at international forum. Infographics. View the statistics on various parameters like roads, electricity, financial inclusion, forex reserves in comparison with earlier date. Next option is media. In media, we can view the news articles from various newspapers on the government initiatives and Honorable Prime Minister. Help and feedback. Seek the help or provide the feedback. And from settings, we can enable or disable the notification on various sections of the app like news updates, interact with the PM messages, Mann Ki Baat, set preferred language from English or Hindi, preferred language for Mann Ki Baat from over 29 languages. Share the app with the friends using communication apps, log in or log out from the app. In my profile, we can access your profile page and modify the personal data. Overall, in our opinion, following Honorable Prime Minister through his official website or app provide authentic and reliable information. If you like Narendra Modi and you want to update yourself about his activities, thoughts and achievements, Narendra Modi app is must-have app. We hope this review is useful for you. For more app reviews, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.